Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2015 Yamaha R1. This is Yamaha's full-size sport bike. Has the 998cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. This bike has 11,917 miles on the odometer. This bike is in great shape. This bike has all service history and recall work done by the Yamaha dealer. Runs beautifully. Has a lot of aftermarket options. Aftermarket seat, frame sliders, fender eliminator. This bike makes lots of power, great suspension, great brakes, and priced at $10,995 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.